Hello guys! Today I have the new summer tickets. Birao means summer guys. Hola a todos. Mais día de luta. Vamos llegar a ganar. Hoje eu tenho 10 euro sessão. O número 24 a 27. 27, ok? Let's start. Vamos começar. Okay, outside Portugal, the locals know how to play in this game. Okay, outside Portugal, how to win in this ticket. We're looking for higher than the given temperature here. So in short, the lower the temperature is, the higher chance to win. Okay? Okay. And odds of winning are 1 in 3.80. 2 matches, at least 7 euro. 4 matches, confirm 50. 5 matches, confirm 100. And 6 matches, how much is this? 200, confirm 200. Okay, 100 plus 50. So 6 matches, confirm 200. 5 matches, confirm 100. The odds of winning are 1 in 3.80. Okay, I'm gonna use Eternity Luck Scratcher for today. Thank you, California. Every time she wins. Okay. So, the lower the temperature, the higher chance to win. Okay. 28. This is not bad. This is not so high. For 20,000, this size. 20 ohm grounds. Degree. 18. 22 for 100. 19 for 50. 23 for 20. 25 for 15. 24 for 10. 17 por 5 y 27 por 2 euro. No. Okay, 24 is loser. Let's go to, where's the 25? 25, give me 18 degree. Oh meu Diyos, 40 ohm, very high. 39, 23, 40 por 100, 27 ground, 24, 35, 18, this is what I need to put here to win. 22, 18 degrees, 17, no. 25, let's go to 26. I want lower temperature. Come on, give me 16. Oh meu Diyos, 42, 24, 35, 37, 18 ground, 26, very high guys, 40 ohm, 32, 30 ohm, 40 y 30. Now, 3 in a row, 26. This must be a winner. 20, no, not so high guys. 24 for 20,000. 19 for 28 for 1,000. 23, 20 ohm, 22, 24, 18, 25 y... of course. 2 euro sure is a winner. Nice. 2 euro sure I win. So I got the win guys. 2 euro, 38, higher than 29. Okay. Okay, so I won €2 as expected. Okay, let's hope this is also a winner to cover my €10 spent. Given temperature 32, 20,000, 22, 28 por 5,000, 18 por 1,000, 19, 30, 17, 18, 26 por 10, 21 por 5 y 24. Ay, oh meu Diyos. Oh meu Diyos. So, I got €2. 38 €2. Okay, so what you expect in cheap ticket, guys? Of course, you win cheap prices. Okay, so this is the new summer tickets, and the prices is the same. Just the tickets are new, but the prices are the same. Okay, so I got €2 back out of 10, which is terrible. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.